Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. Sorry, I'm just trying to adjust the lighting here. I've worked about 10,000 cases. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice and tax defense for 4 decades. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. Many of you know me. You've seen me on all the major newscasts. You can look at all my videos. Not that you want them. I wouldn't look at them, but they're there. And you can see my whole team of former IRS agents and staff at 777irs.com. That's 3 sevens, 777irs.com. I do those videos so you don't get ripped off. Today's one of those. I give you insider information from IRS when I can, and I educate you. A lot of people on YouTube are doing one of two things. They're either looking to hire someone or they want to do the work themselves, which is fine. I educate as well. So today, I want to talk to you about the advertising that's done by these advertisers that IRS writes off billions and billions of dollars of cases a year. Now, when you look at that, you're going to think, gee, you can go ahead and join that pack, and this company who's saying that can do that for you. Do you really believe that that's true, that this company is going to have, IRS is just going to happen to write your case off? Let me explain to you, first of all, what that means. When they say IRS writes off billions and billions of dollars of cases a year, that does not mean that when you call that company, your case is going to be written off. The reason that's true is the statute of limitations have expired on about 1 million cases, and that adds up to billions and billions of dollars. That's why IRS writes off billions of dollars. IRS accepts 14,000 offers in compromise a year, and that comes out probably to a good sum of money, but nowhere that they write billions and billions of dollars off. So if you're calling that company thinking they're going to write your case off and they're going to be billions and billions, I want you to understand something so you know this. I'm a former agent. I worked about 10,000 cases. I was a revenue officer. I used to write cases off, but that doesn't mean the statute of limitations expires. Let me tell you what's going to happen. First of all, IRS is going to take a financial statement on you, and when they do, your case is going to close in one of 3 ways. You either can be in currently non-collectible, which lasts a couple years, and then your case recycles out to the field, or your case will be a payment agreement, or you can try to file an offer in compromise if in fact you qualify. But before you running off giving your money to that company, let me tell you something, and you better judge yourself by what I'm telling you. The only people who can represent you is either like I said, an attorney enrolled agent or a CPA. But if you don't talk to those people, then the people you're talking to aren't going to be able to tell you. You want to know why? Because you're speaking to salespeople who read scripts, who sound awful intelligent, but they're reading scripts and they don't know crap about IRS representation. So once again, speak to an attorney, a CPA, or an enrolled agent. Those are the only people, and make sure you're giving them an IRS financial statement to boot. I require the 433A for me to look at. With that, I can tell you exactly how your case is going to end up. That form will tell me whether you're going to go into currently non-collectible, whether you're going to go into a payment agreement, or you qualify for an offer in compromise. If you're not giving that financial statement to that firm, hang up the phone and call someone else. The only way anybody can make a determination on how your case is going to end, only way, is to look at your financial statement. It doesn't make sense. They can't take a number, a whole script of stuff, and say, well, it's this, give me that, give me this, give me that. It just doesn't do that. Do yourself a favor. Make sure you talk to an attorney, a CPA, a enrolled agent give us a call. We have everyone on staff. I'm happy to give you a consultation. No matter who you hire, follow my instructions. You won't get ripped off. And remember, the reason IRS writes billions and billions of cases out off is because the 10-year statute has expired, and it's not because you've just joined this firm. It don't work like that. Give me a subscription. You're welcome to ask me any questions. I'll answer them on the page as long as I can get to them. I get a lot of them. Thank you for listening. I appreciate the subscription.